In this video, I'll show you how to create a gold foil text effect in Canva in just a few simple steps. So let's jump right in. First, open a new Canva project in any size you want to work with. Now go to the text and add a heading, then type the word you want to apply the effect to. Open the font list, and for this tutorial, I'm using the London font. Increase the size of your text and align it in the center. Now press the letter R to add a rectangle and place it over your text. Then open Position, go to Layers, and move the rectangle behind the text. Change the rectangle color and set your text color to white. Once everything looks good, download this design by selecting your preferred size. Now add a new page and upload the file you just downloaded. Crop the extra spacing to keep the text area clean. Then go to Elements and search for Gold. You can explore both graphics and photos. Just find a nice gold texture that you want to use inside your text. Place it on the page and stretch it to cover the text completely. Then open Position again and send this gold texture behind your text layer. Reduce the preview size so you can see everything clearly. Now select the text layer and remove its background so the gold texture shows through. Adjust the gold image behind it and crop any extra space. Next, add the same background color and download this page. Make sure you download only the current page. Add another new page and upload the latest download. Remove the background and scale the text up to make it stand out. Crop any extra space and align the text properly. To make the effect even clearer, add a background of your choice. Now let's add a sparkle effect. Go to Elements again and search for Sparkle. Open Graphics. Choose any sparkle design you like. Make it smaller and place it around your text. Send it behind the text layer so it blends naturally. Duplicate it and add one more sparkle for extra shine. And with that, your gold foil text effect is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. If you want an even easier way to do this, you can try an app called Frame Maker, which can convert any element or text into a frame in just one click. I'll create a full tutorial on that as well. You can watch it next. I'll see you there.